Hello, my people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Anywhere may you day. But for Germany, yeah, my day now nights now we day. So when I see the topic, not everything you see on Facebook you believe. Sure, now I don't clear. Mostly those our commenters. Hey, this one not good oh. Hey, this one not good oh. Hey, this one a wish oh. Hey, this one a scam oh. Hey, this one a fraud oh. Hey, this one a evil. Shit on a eye don't clear. I be on another live video, on another watch live video. Shit on a eye don't clear. You have to be very careful. Commenters, followers, you have to be very careful. Like me, that one of Germany, peace ambassador for the youth. I don't need viewers. I don't need commenters. I don't need followers. Because you are all sometimes evil. Few of them. Not all. And I just waited the happen for live video now. Sure, now I don't clear. Or now I don't clear. Not everything you see people say or talk on a live video you believe. You follow before I talk, you don't share a video before you know it don't do 1,000 views. It don't do 3,000 views. And you think that person is the best. But share what you are seeing right now on a live video is a disappointment. No matter how you want to fake it, stay they call me now. Hello. I mean, my brother, I will call you back like 10 or 15 minutes time on live video. I will call you back, please, sir. Please. Okay. So not everything you see on a live video you believe. She will beg my cover my eye for all those people, all those followers and all those commenters. Follow. Anywhere this one go, now you want to go, you not get sense. She they disappoint you guys today. Oju wamege live video. Wamage dada no ma. Yeko gbewe fwawo wame. I relax myself, compose myself, understand myself. Thank God that me, I'm not a pushover. Or rather, I'm not people that listen to what commenters said. Or what, I'm not the kind of person that listen to what commenter write or called. She today I be not the big mess. Why I get live video, you know, so we live video. Why my beg you think that everything you see on live video is real? With live video. Some fucking set of nuisance, the stupid, ignorance people, they are there to confuse you that is view them. And you think that person is fighting for you. Which that person is just looking for view to create a YouTube channel so that you can subscribe, so that you can be getting benefit from YouTube. Because in Facebook, you cannot get benefits. So, Akanuche. Commenters, followers, viewers, Akanuche. Please, I beg you guys. Stop clapping for set of people. They are not worth clapping for. Stop following set of people. They are not worth following. Stop commenting on set of people. They are not worth commenting for. Because most of them are out there trying to use you and I to climb to their destination. What is the crime if you become anything that somebody use you to climb? My brother, my sister, Akanuche. My brother, my sister, Enwa Alo Wagbona. Why you giving us with Facebook? Can you the commenters, you the viewers, you the followers, you the caller? What can you say right now? What do you have to say? De menu haita nania. De menu haita. So you have turned yourself to a greatest enemy to your personal self because you listen to what followers are saying, or you listen to what viewers are saying, or you listen to what callers are saying. Like me, that one of Germany, I don't, even though you are my caller, you are my viewer, you are my fans, you call me, hey, that I talk about this, that I talk. I bullshit you because, you are trying to put me into mess, and at the end, you will run away. That's why most of them today, they're in a mess because of callers and viewers. I don't need your view. I don't need your comment. I don't need your call, because when I pass my message, it go direct to where I want him to be. You understand? It go direct to where I want him to be. So what am I fucking doing with your fucking comments or your fucking call or your fucking views? Why you giving us with Facebook now? I think why you going it you have found yourself in a big mess. Why you give Facebook? Why you people don't watch me. Don't go and look at Facebook. What you guys use your hand. Yeah, all those set of people now don't see talking. Now this particular person, they call me every day. You can say, now so this one do. Now so this one do. Now so this one do. Your name, you call the among of the greatest haters wish on social media. You are come clear. I bet my cover. No, not see where I did so. You work man. I don't. I just see what the happen for Facebook. Now see my call give on an update. Follow, comment and scholars. More than say, life is not the way you think. Life changed. Not everybody you follow on Facebook. Not everybody you comment on Facebook. Not everybody you call on Facebook. Use your Akanuche. Today is bigger than what you think. And tomorrow is greater than what you think. Today is pregnant, but you don't know what it will give birth to tomorrow. So don't kill yourself. So don't think about anything. Think about yourself. Don't fight for anybody. I want to use this medium to advise our youth and our people on social media. Don't fight for anybody. Fight for yourself. Because the person may turn around and betray you tomorrow. You will not know. Anybody you think you are fighting for may rather turn around and betray you tomorrow. You think you know the best. Don't believe anything you see on social media. A lot of them are out there to destroy you, to finish you, to turn you to an evil person. Please, I beg you guys, don't believe on any social media presenters. Most of them, some of them, don't believe on them. They are scammers, they are fraud, they are evil, trying to use somebody to climb. This is advice from Dada Masses Talk Show, aka Peace Ambassador for the youth. Now you guys believe that I am Peace Ambassador for the youth. I don't fight for anybody. I fight for myself. Because the evil, the angel is better than the evil is better than the angel you don't even know. Because the evil you refuse to destroy today may rather come around and destroy you tomorrow. That is advice for me. The Satan is better than the angel you don't even know. Because the evil you refuse to destroy today may rather turn around and destroy you tomorrow. Word from Dada One of Germany, aka Dada Masses Talk Show, the latest peace ambassador for the youth. Good night. Don't believe anything you see on Facebook, and stop following some set of people, and stop following set of people on Facebook. Stop calling them. Stop commenting, because some of them are out there trying to use you to climb. God bless you. One love. Dada Masses Talk Show says so, aka Peace Ambassador for the youth. Share this video to your contacts. One love.